Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing today? I have some delicious cookies from the BlackOut Baking Company. They came this week. She makes them fresh. They're gourmet cookies. They're small bite cookies. They're very good. They're made with all natural ingredients. A subscription for this box runs as low as I think $9.95. For the cookie of the month, you get 7 to 12 cookies, I think, depending on what kind of cookies that she's made. And there's $10 shipping, whether you buy one box or 5 or 6 boxes. So keep that in mind. But right now, we're going to open this up. That's what it looks like. We got all of our crinkles in there. We always get this little BlackOut Baking Company card, and it shows us some of her cookies. These are her double chocolate bite-sized gourmet cookies. They're delicious. And I'm not sure what this is. This just may be a featured product from one of her past Cookie of the Month. The Cookie of the Month comes, and you can get the Cookie of the Month during the whole month that it's running. So January, we have January Cookie of the Month. And we're going to find out what it is here. And I have switched my subscription to be I think it's 24 cookies, 12 to 24 cookies, and it comes in a little bit bigger box now. And this month's cookie is Orange Honey Bourbon Cookie. Ooh, that sounds good. She always has it wrapped up in this little black and white ribbon, and we're going to take that off of there. And as I was telling you, they're gourmet cookies. They're bite-sized. They're very delicious. They pretty much melt in your mouth. And they come in the box like this. You get, in this case, we got 2 rows. And so I'm assuming I have 24 cookies in here. And yes, I've got to taste of them because I can't wait to see what an orange bourbon cookie would taste like. And just to kind of give you an idea, it looks like she has some grated orange peel on top. And I can tell you right now, it's very moist. So let's bite into this. I have not been disappointed with any of her cookies. Oh my goodness. The texture of this is smooth and kind of like the melt in your mouth type texture. It kind of reminds me of a snickerdoodle, not in the taste, but in the texture of it, if you know what that is. And the flavor of definitely orange, and it tastes so good. And the flavors burst in your mouth. Just very good. I don't know. Very good. So, taste test. It's a winner. I'm going to have a little drink of coffee. Wash that down. Now, if you would be interested in ordering some cookies, she has a new code, and you can save 15 to 20%. So I guess you just have to go on her site, the BlackOut Baking Company. It's blackoutbakingco.com. And the code is newyear.newsale2022. And you can use that code and you can save on I think a 3-month subscription. You can look at all the details once you get there. I did have a code last month, and that was just a special code just for the holidays, and that's over. So this is a code that anybody can use anytime, or well, I guess for this month, that anybody can use for this month, and you can get it on her website. But I'll have all that information down in the description. And if I didn't mention it, she is a mother who has started her own business, and she has grown to the point that now she has a brick and mortar business in Illinois. So she actually has a storefront now selling these cookies. She just did the subscriptions and the boxes of cookies for a long time, and then she was able to expand into her own store. Now I will tell you, you do not have to subscribe in order to buy cookies. If you just want to go on there and buy you some cookies for a special occasion, then you can go right on there and do that. But I'll just say you won't be disappointed if you try out these cookies. They are very good. And like I said, they're gourmet size, so they're not overly big, but they're powerful in taste. And so they make up for that right away, and you'll love them. So as for today, that's all I have for the BlackOut Baking Company, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, well, why don't you think about subscribing? Now's a good time. I've got my first year anniversary video out with the Mass Monday information and giveaway, and I have a surprise giveaway in one of my latest videos, and I have a collaboration of the All True Crazy Train coming up, and I'll be having a FabFitFun battle with my daughter Laura, with Laura Wooten Unboxings. Whew, and I have lots to unbox, so I'll be bringing a lot to the channel, some new, some of my favorites, and some of the regulars. So just stay tuned for all of that, and I guess I will let you all go for today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.